Hello, you are welcome. How to solve this interesting question? Square root of 5 under square root of 5 under square root of 5 is equal to 125 to the power of x, and we have to find the value of x. Solution: the question is square root of 5 under square root of 5 and under square root of 5 is equal to 125 to the power of x. How to solve this interesting question? To solve this interesting question, we have to take square at both sides. So this side taking square and also this side taking square. So in the next step, this to cancel with this square root. So here 5 times square root of 5 and square root of 5 is equal to, and this will become 125 to the power of 2 times x is equal to 2x. Now again, to solve this interesting question, we have to take square root at both sides. So again, this side taking square root and also this side taking square root. So this to cancel with this square root, and so here this square is also per 5 and also per this, so this will become here 5 square times, and here 5 square root of 5 is equal to 125 to the power of 2 times 2 is equal to 4, so here 4x. Now in the next step, to solve this interesting question, 5 square is equal to 25 times this 5 and square root of 5 is equal to 125 to the power of 4x. Now in the next step, 25 times 5, this is equal to 125 times square root of 5 is equal to 125 to the power of 4x. Now to solve this interesting question, we have to divide both sides by 125. So this side divide by 125 and also this side divide by 125. Here this 125 cancel with this 125. So here square root of 5 left, which is equal to 125 to the power of 4x divided by 125. Now in the next step, square root of 5 is equal to, we know that here the power is 1, so this is in the form of a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. This is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So to apply this condition, here the bases are same, so this will become 125 to the power of 4x minus this power, which is equal to 1. Now in the next step, we have to take square at both sides. So this side becomes square and also this side become taking square. So here this to cancel with this square root, here 5, which is equal to 125. We have to multiply this power with this square, so here 2 times 4 is equal to 8x minus 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Now to solve this interesting question, 5 is equal to this 125 is equal to 5 to the power of 3. So we have to replace this by 5 to the power of 3 and to the whole power of 8x minus 2. 5 is equal to, we have to multiply this power with this power, so here this will become 5 to the power of 3 times 8 is equal to 24x minus 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So this is equal to 5 to the power of 24x minus 6, and we know that here the power is 1. Here the bases are same. When the bases are same, then this power is equal to this power. So here 1 is equal to 24x minus 6. Now in the next step, 24x minus 6 is equal to 1. We have to move this 6 to the right side. So this will become 24x minus 6 is equal to 1. This can be in the form of, when this 6 move come here, this will become 24x is equal to 1 plus 6. 24x is equal to 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Now we have to divide both sides by 24. So this side divided by 24 and also this side divided by 24. This 24 cancel with this 24, and here x is equal to 7 divided by 24, and this is the final answer and the value of x. X is equal to 7 divided by 24. Now we have to check this value, either this value is correct or not. Now we have to check this question for the value of x, either the value of x is correct or not. Now to check this, here we put the value of x as 7 divided by 24. So here square root of 5 under square root of 5 under square root of 5 is equal to 125 to the power of 7 divided by 24. Now to solve this, here we know that the value of this sign square root is equal to 1 over 2. So we have to replace this radical sign by 1 over 2. So here this will become First of all, we have to split these as square root of 5 times, and this is square root of double square root of 5 times here, this is under triple square root of is equal to 125 to the power of 7 divided by 24. Now here we have to put value of 1 over 2 by for square root, so this will become 5 to the power of 1 over 2 times 5 to the power of 1 over 2 to the whole power of 1 over 2 times 5 to the power of 1 over 2 to the whole power of 1 over 2 to the whole power of 1 over 2, which is equal to 125 to the power of 7 divided by 24. Now in the next step, here 5 to the power of 1 over 2 times, here 5 to the power of 2 times 2 is equal to 4, so this is 1 over 4 times 5 to the power of 2 times 2 is equal to 4, 4 times 2 is equal to 8, so this is 1 over 8, which is equal to 125 to the power of 7 divided by 24. Now in the next step, we have to add these, because this is in the form of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8, which is equal to 124 to the power of 7 divided by 24. Now 5 to the power of, we have to take 8 as LCM, so this is 125. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, 4 times 1 is equal to 4, plus 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2, 2 times 1 is equal to 2, plus 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1, 1 times 1 is equal to 1, which is equal to, and this 125 is equal to 5 to the power of 3 and to the whole power of 7 divided by 24. 5 to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7 divided by 8 is equal to, here 3 times 8 is equal to 24. So here this will become 7 by 8. So 5 to the power of 7 divided by 8. So this shows that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this shows that the value of x, which is equal to 7 divided by 24, is the correct answer of this interesting question. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this question, then subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.